Now let me take you to Massachusetts. This is where former NFL star Hernandez's defense team scored some major pretrial victories. The judge ruled yesterday that prosecutors may not introduce texts from Hernandez, or rather texts from the man that Hernandez is charged with murdering. Ode Lloyd is his name. He sent those texts to his sister shortly before his death, saying he was with Hernandez. The defense argued those messages did not, quote, suggest fear, that is important legally, or suggest that Lloyd was in danger. The judge also ruled that prosecutors may not tell jurors about two other murders that Hernandez has been charged with. Let's bring in criminal defense attorney Eric Guster, who joins me now. I was pretty surprised to see this. My office mate Susan Candiotti covers this very, very closely. She was watching intensely yesterday. This is big news, and I wonder how big of a blow this is to the prosecution.
This is a major blow to the prosecution because the prosecution's case in chief was to show that Hernandez committed this murder as well as some others. And with the victim texting his sister saying, I am with this guy,
right.
Let me let you know who this guy is.
Was killed.
Right, the night he was killed, they felt that would provide identification to who Hernandez was with and who he was.
So how do you read what the judge has done here? Was the judge saying, look, it's not fair, you may be unfairly swaying? We don't know if it is germane to the incident?
Mm-hmm. Well, there's a code as far as evidence that says a dying declaration. If a person says, I am in fear of my life, Hernandez may kill me, this person may murder me, then that would be admissible. However, with this text message, it was kind of plain, saying, I'm with this guy, did you notice I was with this guy? That could mean anything. Did you notice that he was good looking
or whatever?
By the judge? I believe so, because judges have to be very careful because in trial, the judge has to make sure that they leave nothing for interpretation for the criminal appeals courts.
Now, what about not allowing the prosecution to say, by the way, this man is also charged right now with the murder of a double homicide, two other people? What do you make of that move? It seems that they don't want that to color the jury's thinking on this person.
Yes, because that's what juries do. If they hear about these other murders, then that will taint their thought process in deliberating on this one. But judges have to be very careful to let that evidence in or to exclude it, because in the United States, the judges want to make sure that the defendant gets a fair trial. And that is the right call in this one because they're not closely connected at all.
Well, you're saying both of these are the right call, but the prosecution, this has to be very, very bad for their argument.
It is horrible for their argument.
Do you still think that they have a strong case?
No. No, not on this murder, because they just have very weak circumstantial evidence tying Hernandez to it, because they have to show his ID, they have to show he was actually with Mr. Lloyd. They have to show that, and I don't believe they have it based upon what they said, what they presented as far as the pretrial hearings that I reviewed. They just simply don't have it.
Got to wrap it up quick. Do you think we're going to hear from Hernandez testify?
Oh, no, absolutely not. The prosecution has a burden of proof. If they don't have enough, there's no reason for him to say anything.
Spoken like a true lawyer. Thank you.
That's what we do.
We appreciate it. Thank you for joining us. A big update there on the Hernandez case. We'll keep you posted.